Now, I really want to give a big shout out to all the guys on YouTube that are just real high class, you know, acts. Ford Tech Make Your Loco, all the diesel guys, standard Ford mechanics and those. So the big issue is Ford 5.4 exhaust manifold rotted off, fell off. All the nuts were basically gone. So what I did on the other side was same as this. There's actually, it's hard to see, these are all brass nuts. So you got stainless steel hardware, brass nuts. It holds the torque just fine. They talk about these take a lot of torque. These really take about 12 to 14 foot-pounds of torque. Brass nuts on the studs as well. Those have been in place for 2 years. Plowing, all the good kind of stuff. I don't expect the manifolds to last all that long. And what we're going to do is just simply, when it's time to replace the manifolds again, these nuts will come right off. The stainless steel studs will be fine. The nuts will be absolutely perfect. They'll be darkened, but they will be absolutely not corroded at all. The other side's held just fine. I did use some red RTV on it. Okay, I used a lot of red RTV. The cylinder head itself is not in the best of shape. It's fairly well corroded. So, yeah, so this is my repair. I got Cosmoline sprayed all over everything, so everything's kind of a mess, but hopefully it'll slow the rust down. And same deal, just take out the inner fender, change the manifold. I did take the other nuts off with a die grinder on a Dremel tool, and that was an easy change up. So anyway, this is I'm calling this for a night. I'm gonna throw the inner fender back in, liner back in her, and I'm gonna go get me some dinner. But well, you guys out there have an awesome day. This is working in the outdoor garage, so it's always fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye.